Hi, I'm Fabiana. I'm a third-year civil engineering with sustainability student. Last year, I completed a year-long rotational placement with a civil engineering contractor called Ferrovial. I wanted to complete a year-long placement as I wanted to have a taste of the world of work and also make me more employable for life after university. I was really determined to find a placement, so I put my CV together during the summer after first year. I had it checked and improved by the Brunel Professional Development Centre when university opened again in September of second year. They were really informative and helpful and gave me several tips and tricks for when applying. 2 pieces of advice for anyone wanting to go on placement. 1. Apply as early as possible. Most job vacancies are on a first-come, first-served basis. And the second piece of advice is don't stop applying. I know how off-putting it can be receiving rejection emails, but what I've realised is that you keep improving with every application you submit. I also created a sort of tracker to list all of my applications and also to track my progress and follow up on the ones I hadn't heard from in a while. Another thing to note is that every company has a different application process. Some only require a CV and cover letter, whilst others require you to answer a set of questions and complete situational judgment tests and other competency assessments. I initially struggled with these, so I'll definitely recommend practicing some online first. I also recommend anyone applying to be ready for some video interview questions where you have to record your responses. These were definitely quite daunting at first, but you get used to them after a while. During my placement, I got to rotate through several different departments such as quality, project controls, environment and production, which all gave me valuable insight on how each of the various teams operate and how they all work together under a whole project. No 2 days were the same. My responsibilities varied from being on site and ensuring work was running smoothly to managing subcontractors or sending emails in the office or even speaking with a client. Additionally, I got to complete various different trainings such as the Control of Substances Hazardous to Health training, asbestos awareness training, site environmental awareness training, and many more. Also, due to the nature of the site I was on, I had to take part in a 2-day confined space training, which I found quite fun and interesting, and it was quite a sort of unique experience. My favourite element of placement was definitely the location. I was fortunate enough to be based at Heathrow Airport for the duration of my placement, which I found really fascinating. I got to see and learn about the airport from a whole different angle and see what goes on behind the scenes. I'd say the most valuable part of my placement was the skills I learnt and improved on during my time there. I learned so much about the world of work in just 1 year, even things like how to write a professional email, or how to lead presentations and toolbox talks in front of many people, even how to adapt my communication style and learning approach depending on who I was working with. These skills and experiences together have made me so much more employable than I had been prior to completing the placement and have really given me a strong indication of the type of career I'd like to pursue after university. And I'll definitely recommend every student to take that opportunity and complete a year-long placement because you just learn so much and it's definitely worth it.